Have you ever tried to make changes, build new habits, and finally take control of your health and energy, only to end up back where you started? Are you feeling stuck, frustrated, and wondering why lasting change seems so hard? It's exhausting, isn't it? Well, here's the truth. You're not the problem. You've just never had the right system. And that's where the 4-week win program comes in. This isn't just another plan. It's the missing link. In week 1, you kickstart your mornings with a routine you can actually stick to, including our powerful 2-minute health boost that energizes your body and mind. Next, you learn how to tackle the 4 most important tasks each day, keeping you focused on what truly matters. Then, you'll set up a night routine that helps you unwind and prep for a successful tomorrow. And finally, you'll break free from a habit that's been holding you back, gaining tools for lasting change. At the heart of our program is the 2-minute health boost, powered by our incredible supplements: VMG Plus for essential vitamins, minerals, and greens, E Omega Plus for heart and brain health, PB Restore for gut health, and Peppermint Essential Oil for a refreshing start to your day. When you purchase the 2-minute health boost, you get our personal growth program worth hundreds of dollars, completely free. The 4-week win program is more than just supplements. It's a complete system that helps you feel more confident, productive, and energized. By the end of 4 weeks, you won't just feel better, you'll be better, with more energy, focus, and control over your health and life. And if it doesn't deliver the change you're looking for, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. So, are you ready to start winning? Take a sneak peek at the 4-week win program that's helped thousands transform their health, boost energy, and build lasting habits. Visit the link in the show notes and get started today to win the morning, win the day, win your life.